Have you ever noticed that what you drink every day can either support your body or slowly work against it? For people dealing with nerve pain, that tingling, burning, or numbness, daily habits matter more than we think. And one of the simplest places to start is with your drinks. Today, we're counting down 10 healing drinks that may help support nerve repair, reduce inflammation, and ease discomfort over time. These are not quick fixes, but used consistently, they can gently support your body from the inside out. Let's begin with something simple. Number 10. Warm lemon water. Warm lemon water may not seem powerful, but it plays an important role in the bigger picture. Your nerves rely on a steady supply of nutrients, and for those nutrients to reach your nerves, your body needs proper hydration. When you're even slightly dehydrated, that delivery system slows down. Adding lemon can also gently support digestion, helping your body break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. And that matters, because nutrients like B vitamins and minerals are essential for nerve function and repair. It's not a cure, but it's a strong daily habit that supports everything else you're doing. Now, once your body is well hydrated, the next step is something many people overlook: rest. And this next one can really help with that. Number 9. Chamomile tea. If nerve discomfort tends to keep you up at night, this is one of the simplest things you can try. Chamomile is known for its calming effect on the nervous system. It helps the body relax and can make it easier to fall and stay asleep. And that matters more than many people realize, because sleep is when your body does most of its repair work, including supporting nerve recovery. Chamomile also contains natural compounds like apigenin, which may help reduce mild inflammation and calm nerve irritation. It's gentle, widely available, and easy to turn into a nightly habit. Sometimes, better sleep is one of the most powerful ways to support healing. Now, let's bring in something that supports both digestion and inflammation. Number 8. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the most widely studied natural remedies, and for good reason. It contains active compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body. And that matters, because chronic inflammation can irritate and damage nerves over time. Ginger may also help improve circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients can reach your nerves, and that's essential for repair and function. And if acid reflux is something you deal with, ginger may also help. Some research suggests it can support stomach emptying, meaning food moves through the stomach more efficiently. Less buildup, less pressure, less chance for acid to rise. It's simple, but very effective when used regularly. Now let's move into one of the most well-known anti-inflammatory drinks. Number 7. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been widely studied for its ability to help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. And both of these play a role in nerve damage over time. When inflammation stays elevated, it can slowly irritate and weaken nerve tissue. Curcumin helps calm that environment. It's also important to know that turmeric on its own isn't absorbed very well. But when you add a pinch of black pepper, absorption improves significantly, making it much more effective. A warm cup in the evening can be both soothing and supportive. Sometimes, simple routines like this can gently support your body night after night. Now let's look at something many people already enjoy daily. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins. These compounds help protect your cells, including nerve cells, from oxidative stress, which is one of the key factors behind nerve damage over time. Think of oxidative stress as wear and tear at the cellular level. Antioxidants help slow that process down. Some studies also suggest that regular green tea consumption may support brain and nerve function over time. It's not strong or aggressive, but it's consistent, and that's what makes it powerful when used as a daily habit. Number 5. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in natural nitrates. These nitrates help relax and widen your blood vessels, which improves circulation throughout the body. And that matters more than people think, because your nerves rely on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to repair and function properly. When circulation is poor, that delivery slows down. And over time, that can affect how nerves heal. Better blood flow means better support. It's a simple idea, but a very important one. Now, if you notice, a pattern is starting to form here. We're not just talking about one single magic drink. We're supporting the body in different ways, improving circulation, calming inflammation, helping digestion, and even supporting sleep. Because nerve health doesn't rely on just one thing. It's the combination of small, daily habits working together. And that brings us to the next one. Something simple, but very important for how your nerves actually function. Number 4, coconut water. Now this is hydration, but with added benefits. Coconut water naturally contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which play a key role in nerve signaling. These minerals help your nerves send and receive messages properly. When your body is low in electrolytes, nerve signals can become less efficient, sometimes leading to cramps, tingling, or increased sensitivity. But when you're well hydrated and balanced, nerves tend to function more smoothly. Coconut water is gentle, refreshing, and an easy way to support your body, especially if plain water feels a bit boring. Now, let's come back to something that supports both inflammation and sleep. Number 3, Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is often used as a natural way to support better sleep and reduce inflammation. It contains antioxidants and natural compounds that may help lower inflammatory markers in the body, which is important because ongoing inflammation can irritate nerve tissue. It's also a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. And as we've mentioned earlier, sleep is when much of your body's repair happens, including your nerves. So, in a way, tart cherry juice supports healing from 2 angles: calming inflammation and improving sleep quality. Simple, but very supportive when used regularly. Next on our list at number 2, cinnamon tea. Stable blood sugar is one of the most important factors in protecting your nerves, especially for those managing diabetes. When blood sugar stays elevated over time, it can slowly damage the tiny blood vessels that supply your nerves. And without proper blood flow and nutrients, nerves begin to weaken. That's where cinnamon tea may help. Some studies suggest cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity and support more stable glucose levels throughout the day. The effect is not dramatic, but it's meaningful when used consistently, and stable blood sugar means less long-term stress on nerve tissue. Sometimes it's these steady, daily supports that make the biggest difference. And finally, let's end with something deeply nourishing. Number 1, bone broth. Bone broth has been used for generations. It contains amino acids like glycine and proline, which help support tissue repair and overall recovery in the body. It also provides minerals that support cellular function, including the cells that make up your nerves. And while it's not specifically a nerve cure, it helps create the kind of internal environment your body needs to repair and function at its best. Think of it as building a strong foundation. Because when your body has the right support, it's better able to heal slowly, steadily, and over time. Which of these drinks do you already enjoy? Tell us in the comments. You can also check out our merch or tap the super thanks button below to support the channel. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.